Choosing Zopa Login is a great option for individuals looking for a convenient and secure way to manage their financial accounts online. Zopa is a well-established peer-to-peer lending platform that offers a range of benefits to its users. To start with, Zopa Login provides users with easy access to their accounts, allowing them to view their balances, transactions, and loan details in one place. This streamlined approach makes it simple to stay on top of finances and make informed decisions about borrowing and lending. One of the key benefits of using Zopa Login is the high level of security it offers. Zopa uses robust encryption and two-factor authentication to protect user accounts, giving users peace of mind when managing their finances online. Another advantage of Zopa Login is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy to navigate and use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. The platform is designed to be intuitive, with clear instructions and minimal jargon, making it accessible to a wide range of users. In terms of best practices, it is essential to keep login credentials secure and not share them with anyone. Users should also ensure that their devices are secure and up to date with the latest software and antivirus protection. Overall, choosing Zopa Login is a great option for those looking for a convenient, secure, and user-friendly way to manage their financial accounts online. By following best practices and taking advantage of Zopa's features, users can enjoy a seamless and secure online banking experience. Zopa Login is particularly useful for individuals who want to borrow or lend money, as it provides a platform to do so in a secure and regulated environment. The platform offers competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms, making it an attractive option for those looking for a better deal on their loans. In conclusion, Zopa Login is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and secure way to manage their finances online. With its user-friendly interface, high level of security, and range of benefits, it is an excellent option for those who want to take control of their financial accounts and make the most of their money.